Perfect.
And we are indeed live.
Good morning, people. Less people we'll wait for them to rack up.
Today we're seeing losers grand finals, Team Space versus Team Chicken Butt.
Yep. And this is going to be an amazing match because both the Lion and Cyan are in pretty top form.
As you can see right now. Alden is pretty much gaming on these patterns. But
Yes,
never
okay.
mind.
What do you mean? Stellarius is clearly having a lot of fun.
He is the best person in the lobby right now.
I know, right?
Yeah, I kinda want to see how the pool plays out. The pool we cooked.
You cooked quite a lot.
I just got permission to tag everyone.
You
cooked
got
quite a
permission
spicy
to
pool.
tag everyone.
Yeah.
Tag each and every role instead of everyone.
Someone got muted for that, so I'm not gonna bother.
The bots will get alive. They're like, who has summoned me?
Who has some... Oh... holy shit, that's an everyone tag after? Like,
Man, Stellarius and Space Mouse are actually 1-to-1 on this. Look at that score difference.
yeah. Yeah. What should we say? 1,000 point score difference?
Yeah, let's see who spins faster though. Space Mouse is not spinning. We don't never mind. He just spins harder in the end.
Is the virtual camera smooth for you guys?
Yep.
The virtual camera is smooth. The actual stream is a bit
No,
questionable.
the stream doesn't matter. That's just for audio.
Yeah, for me
I
it's
mean
the other
I
way.
think Shreya meant it the other way around.
Oh, okay. The virtual cam
It's
is
fine. We can like understand what's happening. We don't need like 1080p gameplay.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
kind of pixelated. That's
Yeah, it's like 480p.
Thing is,
right
I
now.
can't change any settings regarding the camera. I think.
Leave the camera. The camera is fine.
Oh,
No, the Peppa, you're again getting confused. Peppa bola, wow.
Yeah,
I'm
Peppa, it's
just
so
scared.
true.
I've stuck to Peppa so much. I'm calling Shreya Peppa. Holy shit.
Oh
Peppa.
shit!
What an honor!
Poke just
What an
picked
honor!
A banger song right here.
Oh, yo.
Oh, on that note, I'll start predictions.
Yes, let's start predictions.
Gambler
Everyone place
time.
your bets. Place your bets. Team Space, clearly a team of all time, or Team Chicken Butt. The
Which is
origin.
also a team of all time.
It is a team of
It's
all
also
time, but the team name itself makes me, yeah. Because I know its origins. It's this awful GIF.
Predictions are up. Gamble away, guys.
Alrighty.
Okay. Guys, I'm feeling very gambler. I'm dropping 5k.
That's nothing. What?
Holy shit.
I only have 6k.
Poor skill issue.
I don't gamble.
I only
Sorry.
have 1k. I lost everything after betting on myself.
Wow.
Oh my god.
I feel so bad.
What is this? I have to screenshot this. No, holy shit.
What happened?
Look at the prediction score right now.
What's going on?
227k versus
No,
260.
99% to 1%.
Oh god.
Wow.
Oh god.
Where are the big betters?
Nobody's betting on Oblivion plays, really.
This is so sad.
Oh, I cannot change my pick. Okay. I see.
Big down. So never mind. I love this song so much.
Does sound like a very good song.
You don't know
This
the
is
song?
have you not heard that
Yeah,
song?
it's very iconic.
You were never depressed enough.
Linkin Park.
Oh, I guess it's
Rest
more
in
like
peace.
Ray Bean is not old enough, rather.
I don't
I
think
see.
even if you're like 2 years old, you should know this song.
I don't know,
It's
man.
like
I don't
really
think people
popular
would know
back in
Linkin
like
Park
2013
nowadays.
or something. I don't know.
No,
Yeah.
I know Linkin Park. I don't know this song.
This is.
I think this is
yeah.
literally the most famous song ever.
It's not the most
Yeah.
famous. In the end, is probably the most famous.
Actually, yeah, in the end is like probably the most famous.
I mean, if it has a map on Osu, then it's probably very famous.
Yup.
It's an English song with a map on
If you're
Osu.
looking at Osu, then it's another Linkin Park map that's the most famous. What is the Fiery Rage map? I forgot what it is.
Which one?
Oh, I see.
It has a lot of rank difficulties.
Bro, why is Stellarius not playing such an amazing map? Look at those beautiful jumps. I would be eating those up right now.
You could say he's numb right now.
He has become so numb. Oh, Cyan almost hit the 1-2 spam.
I would do a
Okay, the
karaoke
last
to
one.
this song, but I'm not drunk enough, so. Sadly.
I want to
can't.
sing to it right now.
I'll go for it,
Sonam.
Maz.
No. They will get
I'll
clipped.
mute myself.
Stellarius, what?
They've been dead for like 30 seconds.
Been dead for a while.
What happened?
He's
He's
become
listening
numb.
to the music.
He can't feel himself there.
He's just waiting for Oblivion to carry. Oblivion is
Is Oblivion actually 1v2ing?
one way doing this.
Oh, he's back. He's back. What?
No.
What is he doing?
He is hitting 1-2 jumps.
He's back just to throw. Hey, Science
No.
missed! Oblivion 1v2 हो गया. Wait, no, what is Oblivion cooking?
Oblivion almost
Wait, the score
1v2
is
this
so
time.
close. Damn.
Yep.
291 versus 297. What the heck?
That was very close.
What's that mass ping in chat?
Perfect.
At Delphic.
At Delphic Smiles. Time for the epic Poggers champ rolls. epic
Brian
one
rolls
point.
one.
Oblivion with a
The
truly
1
epic
point.
roll.
The
Wow.
One Piece is real.
Wow. Starting from the predictions, everything seems to be going the other way. But Oblivion, don't lose hope. You can do this.
Ambare Oblivion.
Poor guy's shoulders must hurt a lot.
Cyan picked second. Bluro must be in shambles right now.
Oh no.
I have
Oh,
returned
no.
with more water. What did I miss?
Cyan
Cyan
goes
picked second.
second pick.
Oh no.
He's
Did you
done that a
always
few
react the
times.
same way while I was not even here?
The hidden to protect from Team Chicken Butt.
From Oblivion.
Who would have thought?
Are we surprised?
Yeah,
No,
guys,
not
act
to
surprised. Guys, let's act
No,
surprised.
two. Oh my god. Shook
Oh my
emoji.
god. Who would have thought they protected him too? That is such an unorthodox protect coming from probably one of the best tapper in India.
I mean, come on, he could have protected TT2 or something.
True. He's probably just confident on NM2. Bro, at this point, I think Oblivion and Cyan, they probably know each other the best compared to everyone else in the server. They just play so often, they multi so much, they play other games. This is like going to be a battle of the, brain damage. Who is more brain damaged?
Wow,
Battle.
brain
Let's
damage.
go.
I was about to say Battle of the Wits, but sounds like too cheesy.
Battle of the Tits.
Science first ban being hidden one. Again, are we surprised?
Very textbook bans and pecks coming from both of the teams.
Indeed. Are we getting a DT2 ban?
I would not be
Hidden one
surprised.
was the last.
DT1.
season.
Did one, close enough.
Yeah, close enough.
I think Stellarius has shown enough dismay on DT1 in the chat. I think he has cursed it enough.
Oh, haha.
I love the DT1 song. Sad we won't get
It
to
was
hear
really
it.
good.
Piao piao.
Yeah.
No, pio, pio.
Just it will say.
I started listening to it while I was high recently and it sounded so fucking good.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
No more Beifeng Xiao Xiao. This is so sad.
This is so sad. Oh, NFS is banned.
Of
Unfortunate.
course.
Okay, no more 6 is gone.
If you're not banning NM6 against Sublion, you're kind of throwing. Oh my, bro, this OBS virtual cam is dying even more now. Oh no.
Yeah, it's like.
It's
100.
actually 2 pixels right now, Kevin.
I cannot
I'm not
see.
sure what I
The
can do about
matchmaker, the matchmaker text is just a blob.
Let me
Bro,
try to.
like-
Yeah,
the-
you can get a better internet.
No, my
Maybe like
internet is
restart
really
the
good.
virtual cam.
It's not my internet. It's something with Discord. I have
Yeah,
more than enough
Discord.
upload.
I think
Discord
there's a
just
setting
doesn't,
for high
like,
definition
use-
video cam, but I'm not sure.
I didn't see that.
Can someone confirm in chat? Indian tech support, please help.
Is that no mod 5 ban?
Yep, it is.
Yep. Again, not surprised at tapping man coming from Blind.
Very textbook.
Also, probably the reason why Cyan opted to protect NM2 instead of DT2 perhaps is how well Space Mask can play it. NM2 probably a lot more comfortable for Space Mask compared to like the odds of DT2, which is like our higher AR, higher BPM in general. NM2 just seems like something he can play more comfortably compared to the other DT2 and M5 picks.
Indeed. Even though I think he is pretty good at DD2, but in the star rating, I think.
Yeah,
no
this
mod
the
two
star
would be
rating is
Okay, first pick goes to Team Chicken, but let's see what they begin with.
I wouldn't be surprised
Probably
if they
hidden
stronger
two.
start. Yeah, hidden 2, hidden 3. They might go for the. Actually, you know what? That's like only strong picks for them. HR, I would say, is more lean towards team ad space. DT is a coin flip. FM's. We might see an FM right off the bat, honestly. There you go.
There we go,
FM2.
FM2.
NM6 was banned, so FM2 right off the bat, very understandable. Hidden 2 is also up for grabs, which we might see in the next pick or the next to next pick. So, right off the bat, they want to get the momentum rolling in their favor. And it's not like Cyan can't play this, so we'll have to see.
Very cute song, cute difficulty.
Yep.
It's almost 3 minutes.
Potla
3 minutes of torture.
BG. Yep.
It is a very nice BG. Yes,
Yes.
Of course.
I approve.
Hotla approved BG, let's go.
Let's go.
That is also pretty nice. It's quite fun on both hidden and hard rock.
That's probably
Not
because you can
sure.
play both CS 6.5 and AR8.
Yeah,
So I
it's
don't think
fun.
you are qualified to say that.
It's not fun if you can't play CS5 or AR8.
No, CS 6.5 if you're going HR, so that's even more cringe.
Yeah.
I just
Very
assume
fun.
both Cyan and
I mean,
okay, let me predict. Cyan
the
goes
mistake
HR.
easy.
Never mind, he goes hidden and HR, and
Based.
Blind with the hidden pick, and both of the lower seeds player going for the Nova pick. Very understandable. All eyes on Cyan because if he's able to combo this with HR, he can really game. We also
Didn't
remember
say
in the
that he
previous
drops
match,
an
Cyan
early
did.
50.
Yeah, Cyan did pick HR in the previous FM in the last match, and he actually hard carried.
Space
you know-
Moss. Space Moss was forced to play AR8.
Oh no.
Space Mouse should have gone
Stellaris
for HR
is
as well,
slightly
honestly.
You know what?
Indeed.
Probably.
Cyan coming in with an early break.
I don't think O'Brien's gonna miss anytime soon.
Is that a classic Musk curse?
No.
It's an anti-curse.
I
It's an
think
anti-curse.
Yeah.
I'm just stating pure facts.
He does miss.
Well,
You only had to
and the
say
lead
it.
is gonna shift back.
Do not clip that. We just started.
Clip it.
Space
Oh,
Mouse is
Space Mouse with the
struggling
chain
though.
with the-
Never mind.
And again, Cyan with the highest combo in the lobby, very comfortably leading.
Space is struggling, but he's struggling less than Stellarius. So,
I'm surprised Hilarious is struggling. He plays the weird maps after.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the thing
Very
is,
good
this is
recovery from
5.9
Space
stars. So,
yeah, it has aim requirement as well.
yeah, there's actual
The
mechanics
CS5.
involved other than just the AR8 aspect of it.
It's just all the high AR training Cyan has done though. Like, look at him, he's just so comfortable on this. The longer he holds on to the combo, the further the lead just widens. Widens!
Gappens.
And
So
I am
it
creating new words today.
It gappens, guys.
It gappens.
Yeah,
The
but
Japanese
Space
has
Moss is
violence.
almost at 100k right now, which is actually a
Space Moss is
really
contributing a lot,
good
honestly.
amount. And Cyan, look at him, FC right now. Or
Cyan
maybe
missed
just don't
once
look
in
at
the
him.
beginning.
He missed at the beginning.
No,
but
I mean
he's
FC after
holding
the
very
miss.
strong.
Yep.
What is FC after a miss? What the heck
Like
is it?
FCing the rest of the map.
Reverse choke.
It's an FC
Okay,
head.
right.
No, it's not FCing the whole map. Okay, then what do you call it then?
Holding
No.
combo, that's all.
Holding
Sure,
combo.
fair. I thought it was understood.
He's holding quite a bit though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a very
O'Brien has a
large
very
amount.
good combo right
Reversible
now,
now.
but yeah, O'Brien missing there at the middle section was just too much. And like Cyan showing no signs of missing. He would have 1v2 basically at this point.
Oh,
Until now, Space
Cyan
Moss
does
was also
come with a
holding
miss,
decent.
but-
support
Cyan
combo,
finally
but now it's
breaks.
gone.
I am actually genuinely just flabbergasted that Space Moss pulled a 200k on this. That's insane to be honest. And Cyan Classic nearly 750k.
He did hold some supporting combo towards the end, like around 300.
Yep.
There we go. The
The
first point.
goes to
Very-
And it's a break point.
Very comfortable. Pretty comfortable, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is
Even
not
if,
good for
like,
O'Brien.
O'Brien FC'd, he would have had a hard time.
See, if O'Brien FC'd
Getting this
with
point.
the same accuracy, it would be like what, 1.1 million, right? Which is like
Yeah.
still pretty close to their scores.
Still very close, yeah.
Oh no. I can
I
count the
cannot
Now
read.
it's at
I cannot
spaces.
read.
Yeah, we cannot read.
We do not need to read.
I'm
We
sorry.
just feel the picks.
I am unable to can.
I don't know why OBS is doing that.
It's fine.
Or maybe it's
This is
Discord.
Discord, I think.
This is Discord compression. That's not your fault, to be honest. Oh, see, it
can
fixed
just-
itself
Oh,
for a
it
bit.
there we
looks
go.
much
No
better.
mod
And
4
they
is
do it,
next.
no mod 4.
Kevin, I'll ask one extra task. Every time a map ends, close your camera and open it again.
Sure.
I think it's fixing it for a bit.
Yeah, I'll start
And
going
M4
there.
though, going for a very good pick from Cyan, to be honest. Cyan is so good at tech, and Space Moss, I think, will be the outlier here. He's just so good at these types of maps and tech in general. And honestly, I don't know if Stellarius is capable of matching him on maps like these. Obviously, O'Brien will get good scores, but he is up against Cyan. So, in the battle of the T2 players, I think this is quite favorable for AdSpace. I'm gonna
Even
go
for
get myself
T1, I
more
think
water.
no one can play this better than Science.
Yeah, Cyan and Poke just demolished this, and even in that matchup, I think Cyan like has a slight edge.
Wait, who is sight reading?
Probably Cyan.
No. He knows this map.
Oh.
I know that he knows this map because he put it in multi once. Maybe he doesn't remember though.
And I'm back.
Oh, the star rating is a bit concerning. 6.46.
This is a wild map.
Yes,
If you have not seen this HDF,
proposed
buckle up.
by Doge.
Oh, it's gonna be so.
You need to buckle up. Oh,
There
Space
we
Moss
go.
Stellarius
So
goes to the
many
limit.
sliders.
They both break.
Yeah, this will just be who holds to the
Oh,
fighters
Oblivion
with an early
breaks
slider
too.
break. Yeah, just look at the beauty of this map, man. Just painful.
I'm not a fan of new gen sliders, honestly.
Same.
They
I am
are
looking
fun to
I
look at.
mean, if
Fully.
it's just nuisance sliders, it's fine, but it's got those like intermittent bursts in the middle that are
I actually
really hard
found
to
the
aim.
bursts not that hard when
Bro,
I played
Cyan
the
is
map.
feeling this, bro.
there are like overlap bursts. Not
But even
these
then,
ones.
it was actually very well mapped. Like you can read it even though it's overlapped. At
Yeah,
least that's
this
what I
one.
felt.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I can clearly see who's the most comfortable on this
Yep.
map. to be
I wonder
honest.
who it is. It's definitely
Pretty-
Stellarius.
Surely.
Man dropping the TT.
We need to add a 0 after
Wow.
his score.
Space is
Space
like, what
Moss
is my
is
teammate
not doing
cooking?
bad though. Like
Yeah, I told you, right? I think
50K
he
is pretty good.
outscores. Yeah, he outscores
I
Stellarius
agree.
7 out of 10 times
Yeah,
on this. Maybe
Space
even 8
Moss
out of
is
10.
closer to score to Oblivion than Stellarius, which is a big.
That is pretty
fact.
crazy. Dare I say it though? If Cyan FC is the next section, it's going to be insane.
He can FC it.
He is fully capable of
Can
it.
FC the entire map.
Yeah.
It's very
He's
FCable for him.
capable. He's capable as long as us commentators turn off our mics.
Well, that wouldn't be fun now,
He
would
is
it?
still holding the combo. Oh, no.
I told you that wouldn't be fun
He's
now, would
not.
it?
Oh, sorry.
I warned
That
you
was a
guys.
sad under aim.
I shall keep speaking, the break shall keep flowing. But it's a full reset from all 4 players, and that is seriously in favor of ad space. And I just don't think there's enough map left for anything to be cooked. Unless the blind like sees the rest of the quarter.
Even then, there is not enough map.
Yeah.
Yeah, there isn't enough map. It's just too good. They're too good. Stellarius
Oblivion
is
has
holding.
an okay combo
never
at the
mind.
end, but it's just not good enough.
Dude, probably Mats.
Oblivion's comboing a lot right now, actually. He's hitting 300k.
Yeah, he got a really good combo towards the end, but it's just too late. Sign held for too long. Maybe if it started riling it up a bit earlier, there would have been a chance. But it's just too late. Also, like, Sign is matching more than like half of his combo on his own.
The score difference is not too huge, to be honest. It's
Yeah,
only
it ended up being a lot more
150k or 160k.
Yeah, Oblivion kind of recovered towards the end, but Space Mass providing a 50k lead on the T2s and Cyan with a 100k, comfortable 150k.
I mean, you can kind of cap the max score of this by 500k.
To be honest, yeah.
To be honest.
And that is an SN coming from Cyan. FC here.
Yep, FC. Yeah.
Please don't shout in the mic, please. Who is this targeted to?
All of you.
Is it me?
Who is shouting in the mic?
We're sorry.
I think this is the first time this man is here. We apologize for your eardrums.
This is also India. Let's go.
Okay.
When you say let's go, they're
now
gonna go
it's,
away from the stream.
Oblins.
The hype one, that's
Okay.
probably me.
Back to
I
the
sh-
match though. What
I
do you
shall
think?
provide you with an
Chicken Butt will
ASMR instead.
pick?
I think Chicken Butt should definitely go and pop out the hidden two pick.
Wait.
That's
There
Yep,
it is.
there you
the
go.
Hidden two.
Hidden two,
There
yeah.
it is.
Yep, they need to pick hidden two because they are down 1 breakpoint and their opponent's got a comfortable point on their end. They have to pick the strongest map, and Oblivion needs to perform. If in any ways he shit messes and Sign is able to combo through this, that will be basically such a big deficit for them to come back from. So a very important thing for at space. Let's see how it
You know
goes.
what I'm like very interested in seeing?
Yep,
It's the stream section.
that would be
That
quite
is
interesting.
extremely difficult.
Cyan is sight reading.
Yep.
Well, yeah. I'm
To be honest,
not
Sign
sure if
probably
it will be a
just
buff or not.
Or it
Yeah.
could just be Sign me like, oh, they will like play this for sure. We are not banning it, so why bother wasting my time on this? Or he'll just go Godmode on a site hidden FC. You know, you never know.
We will get to know soon.
Yep.
Starting off with the
All
third.
eyes on Oblivion though for sure because there's something he can definitely see. Oh my god, Stellarius off to an amazing start. Oblivion
Oh,
with the
there
first
we
one
go.
miss.
Oblivion with an early miss.
And
Oh,
Sign for
everyone
missing.
broke.
Yes, by Sam.
This will all just come down to holes and combo for longer. Sign is not gonna have fun with those bursts and triples though. Those are quite hard to outside read.
But it's very
Space
consistent,
was
so
not
once
having
you
fun.
get the hang of it, you can like just continue.
I can't say that it was Stellarius though. Yeah.
Space Moss is not doing bad, actually. He's holding a combo
quite
right
good
now.
at ARA,
He's
to
reading
be
it.
honest.
Yep. Well, he breaks now. But still, compared to Stellarius, it's a much better performance. 4x
He's
the
actually
score.
quite close to Cyan in score. Never mind, there's a bit there.
They were forced to read AR8 hidden.
But I think it's still like in the realm of Oblivion solo carry. He's holding on with
Yeah, I
amazing
mean,
accuracy.
Oblivion's at 99 AC right now.
Yep.
Oh, damn.
Ooh.
I cannot see how much he has, but I will take your word for it.
I just alt tab into Twitch every so often to see.
It's a good idea.
Yep. But
It's still
Oblivion
at
is really
99.
popping off.
Oblivion is actually doing really
The score difference is not that huge though, and at space
Yeah,
is
it's
in the
still
lead
good
because of
anyone's
Space
game.
Moss.
I think this all comes down to who nears the stream section or who breaks first between Oblivion and Science.
I have a feeling it's gonna come down to the T2 players, and Space Moss is putting up a really good performance right now.
Yeah,
I mean,
Space
good
Moss,
enough
honestly,
to beat Stellarius.
As long as Cyan and Oblivion keep up their performance and are consistent, Space Moss will be the MVP of this point.
Yeah, like accuracy wise, Cyan is only about 1.5% behind Oblivion, and combo's pretty similar.
Yep.
So yeah, that lead growing is because of Space Moss.
It all comes down to the stream section, I'm telling you. It will be pure chaos.
Ooh, what are we seeing? What are we looking at? What's the stream section?
It's gonna come soon.
Yep. You should brace
Map
for
will
impact.
suddenly turn into NM2.
Both of the players nailing the build-up.
Both Cyan and Oblivion are still going strong. Oh,
Oh,
there it is. There
we
it
go.
is.
Holy shit.
Oblivion
Oblivion
is
is the
gone.
first
Oblivion
to
is
break.
gone.
Reading everything. What is this lot on? And he does not drop anything through the entire third burst.
Let's go.
GG, man. What do I say?
This is totally GG.
This is what side reading is like.
I'm
Man
sorry.
sighted the hardest section of the map like it was nothing. He ate that up.
What did he just do right
I
there?
have true hidden two-player, man.
Yep.
Must,
He said it's
as
Cyan
you
at
say, Cyan got a Michelin star for cooking.
Yep, for sure.
He
XD.
said
Man
Cyan
with the
and
XD.
began
Bro.
cyaning all over the place.
Man is the greatest cook.
Oh, he breaks on that.
Oh my god,
Kick
Cyan,
slider.
come on, troll.
He cooked. He cooked.
No.
He cooked but dropped the plate.
Yeah, he cooked a perfect 5-star meal and then just flipped the plate upside down.
Bro thought he was a blind place.
O'Brien would have missed there. He actually did.
What a performance from Cyan. Oh
Insane.
god. 720k on that HD2.
This is insane, man. I have no words. And at the very end, he also ends up with a superior accuracy, by the way.
Yeah, that's
So
just
man did not only just outcome Bob Lion, get the same
that-
miscount,
that's
also
the
just
top tier
out
of
him.
tournaments for you.
Yep. I love how through all this chaos, Doge is like, this is what happens when hidden 2 is too easy. पकड़ के
Too
मारूंगा।
easy.
पकड़ के मारूंगा।
Cool at Doge Pool.
I'm getting my water and coming back.
Yes. Also, I would just like to mention amazing performance coming from Space Moss. Just look at that score. It's
yeah.
pretty good considering the level of difficulty they are at for this pool.
120k is really good for that HD2 coming from a
Yep.
T2 player.
He handily kept Stellaris at bay and even got like some score off Oblivion. Bro is better than Oblivion plays. How are we doing Stellarius? Okay, mentally, yeah. I think we need some
Okay, what
Stellarius
is
appreciation.
science spec? No more 2. Okay.
Yep, no more two. They're going straight for their protect after bidding the breakpoint on their opponent's protect. Man is relentless. He wants this.
This map though is very
This is a map.
stamina and flow intensive.
No, maybe we should
I'm
have stuck to
sorry.
6.4 for No More 2 as well.
Yep.
I'm sorry for your loss, Terra Stellarius.
Yeah, Potla
I'm
pulled
calling
this.
it Cyan FCs.
No way.
I'm calling it. I'm cursing myself.
I mean,
Cyan
he
FCs.
definitely has the
Capability.
stamina and flow
Yep.
and everything, mechanics to just FC this.
Oblivion, I don't know if you can comfortably do 200 for 2 minutes. So let's see.
The Oblivion can burst 200, but streaming 200,
Yeah,
I'm
I
not
think
sure.
for 2 minutes, that's
Yeah,
like
it
a
starts
lot
with a
of
very
stamina.
long stream.
Mhm. Well, let the cooking begin. I think this is another map where Stellarius can at least try matching Space Moss. Because it's
Yeah,
a low
I'm
mod.
interested to see what happens in the T2 section.
Yeah. Honestly, Space Moss is really good at streaming.
Ooh.
So it just comes down to who loses his stamina first. And
Space Moss
Stellarius
is hitting-
actually doing pretty well.
Oh, Space Moss is the
Stellaris
one to miss
holds on,
actually.
and Space Moss is the one to break.
Let him cook.
Stellarius is unable to cook, sadly. He breaks right after that. Ooh.
He hit the first stream. That was very
I
impressive.
think man utilized 80% of his stamina to hit the first stream and just collapsed and fell over.
Oh no.
That's
Space
sad.
Moss just hit that part with
Wait,
a lot
what?
of flow.
I'm
Wow.
telling you, right? Space Moss is actually really good at flow aim and streams in general. And Oblivion also misses over there on the top side, and Cyan meanwhile holding an incredible 99% accuracy.
99 accuracy.
I told you this man will FC. I am not cursing him. I am blessing him. This is the first time.
This
Yep.
is no mod 2. This feels like a DT2, honestly. With that
It's 200 BPM.
It's only 200.
Man
It's
knocks the
200
OK and
it's
Stellaris
200.1 guys. 0.1.
Yeah, the point
Wow.
one makes it a speed map. Trust me.
Yeah, the point one turns the NM2 into a DT2.
Yeah.
Oh,
Coke is probably the
Ooh.
only person who can match Cyan
Cyan
on
almost
this.
wiggled off that. Also, Space Moss, what are you on, brother? You're nailing those patterns.
Yeah,
He's doing
Space
quite
Moss
well.
is at 100k, which is really good for this map.
Yeah, and Cyan does try to break down, unfortunately.
It's a 6.6 star stream map that he's getting the score on. And he's still holding on to a 200 combo right here.
how the hell is he cooking this hard?
What is Space Moss
He's
doing?
looking at. Oh, boy, he hits the
You
cut
love to
there.
see this. You know?
Holy
No,
shit, he
he's
assessed
hitting
that stream.
everything.
He
Oh my
assessed
god.
this thing.
He's in the zone. He's hitting everything.
Cyan though unfortunately breaking.
I am sorry.
But-
He hits
I
that
am
too.
so sorry.
Man hit all three spacing changes. This man is on some crack.
Is he gonna get to 200k?
You never know. He is in the zone. He might
Very-
just hit the
very
final
easily.
ending.
Oh, he's almost there. He's almost
He's
there.
at 200k.
Okay, but does he hit
Let's
the end stream?
go. Okay.
Holy
Oh, he
shit.
does.
He
does.
assessed the side
Oh
track.
my-
Sorry,
Oh,
what?
Space
wow.
Boss.
Oh, what the-
Space Boss is simply just better. What the hell?
220k? What is he
What?
doing?
What is
This
he
man
on?
just shat out a 220k on a 6.7 star NM2 on a tournament map of all things. What the hell? Also, yeah, he 1v2'd Oblivion and Stellarius by
Space
himself.
Moss, we need you to do a
That's
drug test.
Insane. He outscored a T1 player on No More 2.
He outscored the entire team, by the way.
Yeah, I mean, I don't care about Stellary.
Oh my god.
Refer to the
Oh my
meme
God.
by
So
Ronk.
So harsh.
Bro, Space Master 77, how do you feel about Space Moss Gaming? The same name species.
By the way, last OIST around this time he was 120k.
Do not
Like,
ever
so-
mention that again.
So
you
the
will not
high-
find me
high
alive
SR.
tomorrow.
No. This is why we put high SR maps in the pool.
Good job. Keep doing that. Keep doing that.
Yes.
Potla saying
We
that
want
because he
players
pulled
to
No More 2.
improve.
Botla's about to pull like Angra Fire last dip for an M2. Next pull.
Angry fire.
Angry
I spelled
Fire.
Angry Fire.
Angry Fire.
Hey, wait, have you not seen that meme? Okay, buddy. Fuck, I
Okay,
need to
buddy.
find that.
What?
Yeah, like, oh, so okay, buddy, retard.
What's the hidden 3?
Yep.
Ooh. Allah let us win a hidden pick. Okay. Blind, I shall pray
Man.
for you.
This is the glory days.
I don't know if I should leak this, but I have a screenshot of Cyan's score on this.
Didn't he like.
Can you
Let's see
DM
this.
it? Can you DM it to me, Potla?
I'm
won't
pretty
leak.
sure
I
he
will.
FC'd this.
I won't leak it.
Okay, wait. Let me DM it.
DM me too.
Okay, Kevin.
All I'm gonna say is he's gonna cook immaculately on this.
Yeah, that's it. That's a decent score. Okay. Yeah.
Did he like one miss?
I mean, close. Yeah, close to a 1 miss. I'm not gonna leak anything, but that's a decent score.
Yeah, it's just one something.
Bruh.
It's 100k.
This
Man. Wait, send that to Shreya. I just want to see her reaction.
Oh, I forgot.
I don't think
Show
you
me
should
the- show me
send
the
it to
score.
Muzz.
You're not supposed to leak it. Just live
won't.
react.
I won't. I am sorry.
You should be sorry.
If I see this happening here, I will explode.
I think we all will explore too cumulatively.
Let's go.
I was gonna ask if you're a transgender outside my house. If you're gonna
Because you
explore-
blow up! Only people who know the meme know. Are you a transgender because you blew up outside my house?
Wait, Kevin, hold up. Let me find your address real quick so I can blow up outside your house.
How do you
Please
have
do
my
not.
address? What?
It was leaked. Oh, Cyan and O'Brien with an immaculate face off though. Look at them, what with the really high accuracy. Same accuracy, hitting all the but. Wait, Space Force is gaming again.
Shit.
Oh shit. Here we go.
Wait, O'Brien and Cyan both seem equally comfortable on this. Guys, do I say it? Do I dare say it?
Are you
No,
sure?
no, no, no.
Another
Are you
double
sure?
FC for the first time after Spotlight.
No,
That's the double FC you wanted.
No.
There's no FCs.
Now you
How do
cursed both
feel,
of them.
Maz? How do you feel about this, Maz? What
I
do you have
feel-
to say for yourself?
They call me Oppenheimer because I drop all the combos. But yeah, the lead that Cyan built up there is just really high. Even though they basically have the same accuracy, both of Lion and Cyan. Space Force with this 100 kill score lead over Stellarius being the deciding factor for this point. Again. Also, Kevin, can you like show that screenshot on screen like after this is done?
Yeah, I can actually.
Supposed to?
Thank you.
I don't know.
Let me.
It's
Well,
perfectly
it's
fine.
done, right? And
It's
we're not
over.
gonna play on this pool. They are not gonna play in
It's
this pool
Joe.
again.
See, if
Okay.
if it's a mistake that I'm doing, I'm gonna blame us for it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
I'm a
Cyan,
mistake.
if you have any complaints,
Yeah.
direct them to
Image in 3, 2, 1.
No. Wait. Let me.
Guys,
Let me
I
cook.
want you to embrace the
Wait, where is
server
the-
mute Karnism. No one is muting me. I
Where
am
is
the one
the-
muting the combos.
Okay.
That
This
is
is.
the screenshot.
Yeah.
screenshot.
Yeah.
100 FC.
SSA.
That's an SS. That's practically an SS.
So yeah, this is what they're up against. The most
Yeah.
normal is, I love how like in the entire graph there is one dip and that is for a 100.
You are
The moment they
85.
picked Hidden 3, I was like, oh, okay.
Yep.
Well, good luck.
Yeah, you can switch back to the client now.
Okay, you can get
Yeah.
rid of that.
Yep.
We're just gonna stare at.
DT2 next. Oh
82.
shit. They
Very
are.
expected.
They're leaving no crumbs for Team Chicken Butt here.
They're
And
cooking
Not
them
a
this went to a
fully.
clean sweep.
Man is preparing
is-
a 5-star meal, bro. He's taking care of every step immaculately. Dun, 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 dun. Someone needs to game or yeah. Things
I don't
will
know
happen.
why. I really want to see DT3. Eventually.
Yeah, I want
I
to
Bro,
see.
know.
Ronk will have an orgasm, let's not. The shape of your body.
DT3 is
Holy
truly
shit.
one of the maps.
The shape of the slider. It's absurd.
It's massive.
Guys, it's an Osu
Right.
match.
I am going to wank. Stop. But yeah, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we have like a lot of Eiffel towers in the background.
A lot of inverted
Upside,
Eiffel towers.
yeah, inverted Eiffel towers.
Budget Eiffel Towers.
All eyes on Cyan again, but Blian is also capable of doing this. I am just again worried about his stamina. How long can he burst 244? Because Cyan is very well capable of bursting it for this long.
This
the
is
camera
easy
gone?
for
Yeah,
Cyan.
I did.
Okay, never mind. It's still easy for him, even though he breaks as I say that. Hopefully that doesn't happen
Yeah,
again.
Kevin. Yeah.
I think
Okay,
my
we're
internet
back.
died for a bit.
I am
No, it's-
respectfully staring at Space Mouse right now because he has more combo than Cyan.
Okay, what?
How?
He has more score
Huh?
than Cyan.
His
What is
accuracy
this
is higher
lad
than
cooking?
Cyan. His accuracy is higher than Cyan. Okay, never mind.
No!
He dropped the pan.
I am so sorry.
What
They
is
cooked
Space
it
Moss
so
doing
much.
though? Holy fuck.
Ismos is becoming the next Ramiz. Holy shit.
Bro
Bro,
thinks he's
Cooked, but
Ramiz.
drop the vessel in the sink.
I was about to say Ramesh would SS, but Ramesh would indeed not SS. He would get bodied by Space Moss.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, shots fired, bitch. Play a damn tournament.
He's too busy eating
Just give him
shawarma.
shawarma.
The prize
Like,
pool.
can we turn the prize pool into like 15 shawarma?
When the prize pool is the warmth of a freshly baked shawarma.
I love this. Space Moss is Space Master's stolen left hand. We have to combine the two. But Space Master using the Space Moss to conquer space.
The
Look at his
Space
accuracy
Master
though,
method.
90.
Bro, this
55
man
still,
is like
holy
actually
shit.
insane on this.
He's
But
gapping
Zion again,
O'Brien
I-
right now. Bro's
This
gapping
man,
O'Brien
1v2 them
plays.
again. Space Moss, 1v2 Chicken, but again, who are on their way to become the third, or at least are confirmed the third place of this tourney. This man, who is a tier 2 player in that team, probably one of the lower ranked players, is 1v2ing the third. See,
He got a 600k score
We
on this,
thought
by the way.
we thought
with
he
one
would
miss.
perform worse on this
But he won
DD2
this.
because it's higher star rating, but he won miss this shit. Is he
So he
okay?
did better on NM. He did better on
Yeah,
DT2
again,
than
he
NM1.
We have all
outperformed both
four-
O'Brien and Stellarius together.
Wong says he will beat his mate.
We have
if
all
we
four
beat
mods,
Chicken.
by the way. All four
I am
ranks.
sorry.
S, A,
Yeah.
B, and C.
We have Sabas. The D is me, but I did not play.
Oh shit, we're actually getting DT3.
Wait, what? Let's go.
Are we getting DT3? It looks
not
like
sure.
it.
No, I think this is baited it. You have to pick now because Kevin posted it now. Let's see.
Yeah, don't pick before I post anything.
Yeah, it will be voided like your existence.
Yep.
NM1.
And I'm one.
Oh.
Man, it's like 8 point de do, please.
You know when NM1 is picked,
Wrong.
it's desperate.
Ronk will get blue balls now. I feel very bad for him.
Okay, guys. Can I predict the outcome of this?
Sure.
Okay. Cyan and Oblivion both hold 99.5% accuracy up till 50 to 60% of the map. Then we speak of the word double combo. Both of them shit miss. But then we look towards the bottom and Space Moss is gaming with a lot of combo. Stellarius was doing good, but he kept shit missing because of nerves. And then Space Moss carries and then Cyan recovers. Oblivion shits the bed and they win 7-0.
Incredible.
Let's see
Incredible.
how much of that is accurate.
I think that might be quite accurate.
That is me
But,
from all the statistics I've picked up over the years.
Society
But, the
F must
thing
didn't
is,
mention the term double FC.
Society of Must just did not speak.
The T1 players are very, very capable of seeing this.
I think both of them can see
6.46
bad script must. Hey, ये stream देख रहा है. See, if you want to
But,
prove me wrong, UFC. That is the only way. But yeah, for
And every
once
time
I
I see
think
this BG, I recall the taste of hunger.
yum. But yeah, no pressure. But I think all pressure is on Oblivion right now.
The
I
cosplay.
see the script doesn't lie. You see.
The script doesn't like us, that's Stellarius.
Well, let's wait for 50 to 60% of the map, see what
Yep.
happens.
Yep.
Stellarius fully inbound with my script for now. And Space Moss gaming with really good. Everyone has really good accuracy, honestly, other than Oblivion for some reason. But he's recovering it. Space Moss with an early slider break on nothing though. What matters is Cyan and Oblivion are both holding.
We're coming in with the first 1-2.
Jump section, yep. Both of the players will completely eat the jumps and leave no crumbs while Stellarius misses.
Is this
Yep.
a nomad one or a jump practice? What am I
Eat the
looking at?
jumps
It is a
and
nomad
leave
one.
no crumbs.
Yep, I am. Yep. Wait,
Bro thinks he's
Rabin,
an
have you
actor.
have you not seen the diff spike of this map, mayhaps?
I am going in blind. I'm going in blind.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully you don't
You
end up
will
like
be
that
in
one
for-
submarine.
I am
Oh,
sorry.
wow.
Oh, the second jump section and both of the tier 1 players will eat
This
it
is
again. And
literally
those
one of the
Never
numbers
mind.
of
Never mind.
Yeah.
Space Force and Slayer is dropping. And Cyan and Oblivion still holding through with immaculate accuracy on both of them. Just as I said.
Are we surprised?
It's not 50 to 60% into the map though.
Yeah, I need to like channel all my curse powers so they both miss. I don't know how it
Please
works.
don't.
I don't know. I just need to mention 2 words at a certain point.
Oh no. The illegal term.
Oh, Stellaria is struggling quite a bit though. He's unable to act the best either, and Space Moths with a very handy lead over him. And now we get into the midsection of the
We
jumps,
get into
and
the
both of the
monochrome
players
butterfly.
are double FCing, but this seems too comfortable for them.
Yeah.
I called it. The script is too strong. The stats don't lie.
No,
This is
no.
all deception.
Maz! Maz, why?
Both of them just died on that. Back and forth. Oh man.
Okay, let's look at Space Moss. Let's look at Space Moss respectfully. Oh no.
You should
Oh,
not
no, I
look at
think
him. See, all I'm saying is I say things and the things happen. That's all I'm saying.
Well, we are commentators, right? We should
Commentators
do
choke,
the
no talking.
other way.
Yep.
Right?
See,
We see things
80%
happen,
of the
then we
script
say,
is wrong. I mean, it was wrong. 80% of the
Wrong.
script was right on point. So the only thing left is for Cyan to pop off, a blind to shit the bed, and I think Stellarius was also supposed to combo, but he's like, yeah.
he's unable to aim the bursts actually. Well, just as I said,
This still could be anyone's
some-
game though, like script and memes aside. The next miss coming from Lion on Cyan will be the deciding factor. But the thing is, Space Moss did provide a 60k score buffer for team at space, and Stellaris is not able to match the combo of Space Moss. And so I think at space will just run away with this lead if no one breaks on the
We
final
still
TI.
have one big jump section left.
Yep. Let's see if the final prediction also stays true. Okay, both players have
Let us
destroyed it.
Everyone hit that.
And
section.
Sheriff break his side effects or nothing. And yep, that's such amazing scores coming from both Cyan and Oblind, like basically mirroring each other.
Memory.
That's
Mirroring each
beautiful.
other.
See, I used all my
And
comprehension
spinning for his
power on
life.
spinning them.
Well done.
Cursing them.
Well done, Maz.
That's
How do you feel about
clean
yourself
sweep.
after this?
I wrote an entire story and it all was right. That's all I'm saying.
But Oblivion didn't shit the bed.
He kind of shit the bed. He got like what, 10k score less than Cyan.
Okay, fair enough.
If he top scored, I would have not said it.
Man, the sad. Yeah, if he had FC, he could have carried, but I guess it was too much pressure.
I started off with a prediction. I went in the middle saying all pressure but no pressure on Oblivion, and I said Oblivion will shit the bed. Everything happened. And 7-0, the words I say.
Okay, referring to my meme, the truck Oblivion was pushing fell down the cliff along with Stellarius.
Holy shit.
Wow.
I think
It's
GG's
like
to both teams though, GG's.
there was no driver inside the truck. They just pushed it up.
But
The
yeah,
truck
all
was
memes and jokes
self-driving.
aside though, Cyan and especially Space Moss absolutely stepping it the hell up. Amazing performances and everything. Cyan like basically one missing or like getting more than 700k, 600k on every single map. Space Moss gaming on DT2, amazing score on NM2, literally godlike supports on every other map. 7-0ing the third seed or now the third place in the tourney. Just amazing score.
Oh, we're
I
seeing
think-
tiebreaker.
Oh, we're
seeing
seeing
Oh,
tiebreaker.
nice.
Space
Okay,
Moss is
I'm not
definitely
gonna
the
cook up a
MVP
script
though.
for this.
Don't-
Bro, Space
don't-
Moss is
Holy
like
shit. Cyan
insane.
is on Hard Rock. Hidden Hard Rock.
I think Space Moss wants to prove the point that he is the best T2 player. Delphic, you buckle up.
Delphic is now Mania player.
he
Oh,
is
no.
Maniac, not
No,
Mania
the,
player.
the thing is, Space Moss didn't show up like this for any other past rounds. Were they like
I
saving
don't
up
know.
for grand finals? Like,
Okay, see, I do have
feels like
some
a-
information which I should probably leak at this. Should I?
Leak it? It's over. You can leak it.
no, but they have another match.
No, they have a
Another
full
match, right?
Oh, okay. Never mind then. Don't
They
leak.
have more cooking
Yeah,
to do.
leak it afterwards.
Okay.
All I'm gonna say is the best player in the tournament is trying.
Hmm.
Okay, so does this confirm that Chicken Butt gets third place?
Yeah. This is a third place match, right?
Yeah, this is the third place match.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
So
they
they
are
will
on
be
the
getting
podium for sure.
something. We haven't decided
Stellaris
what
pushed
the price
absolutely nothing and
distribution
still
is.
reached the podium. Reminds me of a random American cartoon about a pig.
I am so sorry.
माफ कर दो.
This is
That-
what Canadian education does to an MF.
This is what smoking 20 packs of cigs and vaping nothing but vapes does to a person.
Wow,
I
what
am
is this
calling you
rose
out.
section?
I know if you smoke, fuck you. I can't even breathe normally.
Tin and Peppa would like to have a word with you.
Must that sounds like a skill issue.
In 30
right
years,
there.
they won't be able to speak, so I don't know.
I am so sorry.
All jokes and memes aside, though, please do not smoke. It is injurious to your health. And Space Bus Gaming, what the hell? Oblivion is also like, Oblivion's like, tiebreaker to de do kam se kam.
How is the score on chicken butt side?
Cyan is on HR. This map is insane on HR.
Insanely hard on HR. I think it's like actually double the difficulty on HR. Like, look at those patterns on HR and he nails that.
Please, Cyan.
The average sign gameplay.
Yeah, and then there will be the slider section. Holy shit.
Did anyone clip your Oppenheimer moment though?
I think there's a lot of clips that you should go back and clip.
Absolutely.
We need like two separate clips. One of me calling the thing and one then it happening. This is like such a good meme format I gave someone, but no one wants to make memes, so I dead chat.
Are you sure about that?
Maybe I'm trying to manipulate you into making.
What, what is
I love
your-
you so
No
much.
smoking. No smoking.
Yes, this is a message
Disclaimer for viewers: smoking is injurious to
to your
health.
health. Please do not smoke flavored air. Smoke air. People like me who are unable to smoke cope very hard when I see them smoke flavored shit.
Yeah, you're not smoking smoke. You're smoking copium every day.
Yeah. Copium that you'll make it past 40.
You know, the real copium are you guys, but I'll let you continue.
Bro, I let me cook, bro. I am like unable to breathe IRL. I'm the real coke here. Bro, it's
Right.
actually insane score coming from Cyan. 200k on this, like, and we are only halfway through
Close. It is close.
leading into the
into the section.
slow section.
Duh.
Slow section followed by a sudden spike in speed.
800
Let's see how they.
800.
Did a man just throw for 800 rupees?
Is it like 800 rupees per player?
I think so. Kevin,
What?
What's the price pool for third place?
What is happening?
No, we haven't decided yet. We'll announce
Man
it
just
later.
predicted that he's getting 800 rupees.
He's pulling a Muzz.
I mean, I
Bro
don't,
thinks
I
he's
don't know
must
if
place.
price pool is going
O'Brien
to
place
be
thinks he is must place.
in rupees.
We are Swan brothers. I don't want to look at a person, but I want to really look at a person because they are holding in cap.
Yep, as expected.
That's
Slow
so
sliders.
Are
Fast
we
section.
surprised? Are we surprised?
It's actually funny how he managed to miss on nothing while I was speaking about him.
It's like whenever
No,
Kevin
no.
or Muzz mention someone's name, like, yep, they're gonna miss. They're gonna miss in like 10 seconds.
That's
See, that
also a clip,
section
man.
suddenly has these.
Yeah, the slider
so
velocity
it's
changes very hard there.
Very easy to shit miss.
Guys, I'm gonna drop some facts.
But the ending is now coming.
This will be interesting. I'll drop the facts after this. Oh, sign completely
Oh.
dies on that. That is very hard to hit on HR though. The spacing
Yeah.
on that is brutal.
Obnoxious.
Very obnoxious. Okay. For all the trolling I've done, for all the trolling I've done, Stellaria's doing very well on this tiebreaker. Like 138 score, really nearly matching Space Mass.
I guess he now does not have the nerves.
Yeah, it's just gone. A really good score coming from both O'Brien and Cyan. Oh, wait, I was slightly behind on that. Ooh.
That's a banger tiebreaker.
Yep.
Congrats to
Very
Chicken Butt
nice.
for winning that tiebreaker.
They got 1 point.
Let's go. They got 1 point. It's not a sweep anymore. Yay. Okay, all that aside.
That was a really
That
nice
was-
match.
Yep, that was a really good match.
Oh god. I want to make a pun, but it's too
Man of the
cheesy.
match, though.
Just say the pun.
Man of the match.
Nah.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Nah.
Let's hear it.
Are you a broom deer because you just got swept?
Oh no,
Wow.
that's
Jokes
worse
aside,
than my
though.
dad jokes.
Yeah, you know, it's like a hit or miss. Sometimes I say photosynthesis is क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं? I don't want to make up a new meme. Now I'll stop. I just stopped
Mitochondria
halfway.
is the powerhouse of the cell or something.
O'Brien is sending them to hell. Well, he's the one who got wrecked now. But jokes aside, though, Cyan and Space Mars stepped it up a notch for this. Especially Space Mars performing so well, considering the star rating is going up and the difficulty is increasing on every single niche. He basically outscored everything. I think this is his highest average score after like
Must
16.
pause for a second. Pause for a second. Wait.
Oh no, what is he doing?
Wait. Does this work?
talking, please.
Oh!
What the heck?
Don't talk.
How did you cook that?
Angry cat sound
I
soundboard.
can use the soundboard.
Hey, put in the wine boom. Wine boom, please.
What?
Wait, wine
Did you
boom.
just hear the moon?
Yeah.
Oh my god, not
तेरी मम्मा डांट कर
Wow.
Stop.
Okay, that's enough cooking.
Don't talking, please. Okay, yep, we cooked.
Don't talking, please.
But yeah, though, like all memes and jokes aside, again, a very enormous shout out to Space Moss for like stepping it the heck up for this pool. And I think
By the
there
way,
is a valid debate now between Delphic and Space Moss. Who will be the real star of the finals?
Space
Yeah,
Moss
Space Moss.
beat
Space
Chicken
Moss.
Butt in NM2 and DT2.
Yeah, he
Just
won
let that
V2'd.
sink in.
He won.
won
That's what I
V2'd.
was saying, right? He won V2'd the 4th seed twice by himself. Oh, huh? Excuse you. And then this is like not even considering Cyan basically every time doubled his score. So like, is there even a chance, bro? So wait,
We'll see
Grand
how,
finals is going to be a
who
lot
can,
more interesting than I
Delphic.
initially thought it would be.
that's what I told you. A certain top player in the tournament said he'd try this time. So, and apparently that's rubbing off Space Moss too. I think,
The world of Space Moss teamed up with space.
yo,
Yo,
that would just be like space in bracket Moss Master. Holy
Moss
shit,
Master
Moss Master, that's like a
77.
cool
Moss
name.
Master 7.
Moss Master 77? Yo,
that's a nice
Moss
team name.
Master.
that actually is a very good Moss Master of the team.
Yep, that
Bro,
would
this
be a
song
very
is so good.
team
I
as
love
well.
Suise.
Welcome
Oh,
to
my
the
headphones fell off.
I guess that's it for this stream. Thank
Yep.
you so much
Yes.
for watching.
Remember, guys,
Thanks
no
you for
smoking.
watching. Please do not smoke, or else you will be publicly
No,
bullied
yeah.
by me,
Yeah.
someone who can't even breathe.
no smoke.
So yeah, thanks for watching.
Future doctor.
We'll see you. I think I have like 10 more years for that. But yeah, I guess we do have a match tomorrow, right? At probably after 6 p.m. hopefully, which will be the grand finals.
They haven't scheduled it. We're waiting for that.
Hopefully we'll see. You'll get the announcement if that happens. And anyways, thanks for watching. Amazing performances from AdSpace and O'Brien and Shalarius. Amazing run till now, but falling short right towards the end. Amazing performance from O'Brien though, and Shalarius did very well supporting O'Brien till this point. I have been trolling him, but amazing performances from him. And yeah, it will be a very interesting grand finals coming up. Make sure you don't miss it. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Good night, everyone.